Hi there, my name is Sharon Kenny. I'm the Matchmaker.ie, and I'd love to share with you on this lovely autumn day. If we look around, we can see autumn is starting here. Just how wonderful it is to grow yourself before you grow your relationship. So, what I'd love to discuss with you over the 21 days that I'm going to giving you tools every day, we're going to start off with this amazing challenge where you come and you meet us and we go through what you're looking for and we go through what we can help you find, and then we handle your expectations. Then we give you tools every day for 21 days to improve on yourself so you bring the best you to the relationship. And then we get your story right, which is your gut and your inside, and we get you to grow like a tree from the roots, which is your personality, to your stomach, which is your energy and your happiness, and until you blossom. And when you blossom, you will absolutely be able to have the best stories to bring to the date. You will be the best you can be and feel very positive about yourself, and we will get love going your way. So join me, Sharon Kenny, the Matchmaker.ie. All you have to do is contact me through callwithsharon.com. That's callwithsharon.com, and talk to you then. Take care. Bye.